How to redeem codes in Brawlhalla Mobile. Now in this video, I'll show you a very quick guide for you to be able to redeem codes in Brawlhalla Mobile. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is of course pull up the game, and in here you should be able to see your home dashboard. And take note that this method that I'm going to be showing you is also accessible and can be doable if you're going to be using the iOS version. So since you're already on the home dashboard, all I have to do is to access store below Meet the Legends. And this is where you will see all the specific products that you can purchase on their store. For you to redeem the code, just simply tap this gear icon. And then you should be able to see two options like purchases and redeem code. So as you can see, redeem code is actually grayed out and I won't be able to tap or to use this feature because I'm currently logged in as guest. So for you to use this feature on redeem codes, make sure that you logged in into your Brawlhalla account so that you can use those. Once you enter the code, it will be validated first for you to receive those rewards. And that's how you redeem codes in Brawlhalla Mobile.